Hi everybody, it's Trish. Welcome to Rooster Row Farms. I am out and about today this beautiful weekend. We've had so much rain. We are in the process of mowing down all of this grass that we've gotten and trying to get some weeding done and trying to get some things planted still, because we haven't gotten very far with some of the planting, and because of the weather, which the bugs are bad. I wanted to show you kind of a little bit of frustration we have out here, because get out of there, Pepper Ian, and my blueberries. We actually, before we got this slew of rain, we actually had, flip this around. Oh, what is this? Body tracking? Base track? It tracks my face. I also got a new little thing, so I'm trying to try it out too. A new camera, not a new camera, but a new hold my camera device thing. So, and that was a gift, and I really appreciate it. But I was going to show you out here in my garden area. So this here is my in the ground garden area, and we tilled it up before we got all that rain, and look, it's already got, I don't know if you can see that, it's got a layer of grass already trying to grow on the top of that. It's crazy, and it's not even tillable at this point, because when you step in it, it's a big muddy mess still. But my blueberries are starting to turn blue, if you can tell. Getting quite a bit on each of them. This one over here is kind of toppling over a little bit, but look at all those blueberries on there. And looky here what we have. It's a beautiful thing. Strawberries. We got a bunch of them. Let's see if I can figure out how to zoom out here. That's my green stalk. So today I'm very motivated. That's never been a problem. My problem is I can't focus. So I have all this stuff to do, and I go from project to project to project, and I don't get done with what I want to do, and I'm just like a butterfly floating everywhere. So today I've got to find my focus and focus on one thing, and I gotta figure out what that is. So that's basically what I'm doing, is I'm walking around with my multitude of projects that I have to get done and trying to figure out which one I want to do first. And I think which one I'm going to do first involves still the multitude of plants that I've got to get in the ground, finding a spot for them. I have a bunch of sunflowers that are growing in their little pots that need to come out. I got some perennials that need to go in the ground. So that is my focus. Aww. Oh, it's not cute. It's a big old bird.
Pretty sure that's the mama.
She's mad.
There's the nest right there.
Maybe if we put it back in the nest.
You want to? You need a ladder?
No, we need the tractor. Little guy. Let go. Look, you're good right there. Let go.
Look at the baby birdie we're trying to save that fell out of the tree. Well, it's probably cool right here too. This happens about every year. These birds will put birds' nests in the tree limbs. They're not very secure places. And they'll either fall out of the tree. We've lost a bunch of little babies a couple weeks ago. They'll either fall out of the tree or they'll try to fly, and then my cat will eat them. So my husband's going to try to put it back up in the tree.
Driving.
Oh. So these all need homes. This is sunflowers. Sunflowers. Look, more sunflowers. Gosh, I got a mess of it. This is nothing. Sunflowers. And more sunflowers. I posted a video back a while ago about where I got all these trays and stuff from. They're heavy duty, and so I need to take care of them, obviously, because I invested in them. But I'm going to clean them up this year and put them up like in my attic so that I have them for next year. And I just use popsicle sticks, which I won't use again because it fades off and I can't really read what the heck was in there. So, okay, so I found my focus. Planting these plants and getting these all cleaned up for next year. I also got more more over here that I've got to figure out what to do with. I have this is a tree, or it's not really a tree, but it can be a tree. It's the wisteria. This one I need to give to a friend. That's chamomile. It's starting to die. And all of this, to tell you the truth, I can't remember what it is, but I think it's like a perennial, like sage, I'm thinking. I think it's a perennial sage. So wherever I do put it, it's got to be somewhere where I want it, because it's perennial. It comes back every year. So I'm going to get all these out of here. For one, because they've been drenched from all the rain we've got. And for two, I am finding a home for them today. This is actually a jalapeno. I gotta find a home for that. Alright. Okay, I have no idea, because I think that's amaranth. I think all this is amaranth. This is definitely a marigold, because one of them has bloomed. That's more chamomile. This is all... Oh, that scared me. This is all marigolds. This... I have no idea. Marigolds. Marigolds. Oh, but yes, there's more. There's more, I tell you. Back here, I have more. These are sunflowers. All of these are sunflowers that all need a home. It is so wet out here. Okay, all of these things here on this table need to go somewhere, hopefully today. Let's see if we can find a spot for them. I've made a little bit of progress. My hair's crazy. A little bit of progress. Let's go in here and I'll show you what I did. Planted some of my marigolds in my little pot there with my tomato. Then planted a bunch of sunflowers all through there. And then over here, oh, just look at my fig tree. Okay, over here, excuse me. I planted some sunflowers in my little box here, and I'll have to show you what I'm going to do over here later. I had originally in this big little area here, in this little area over here that's all full of grass, it was really low, so everything we planted over here would just get drowned in. So we decided this year we weren't going to plant anything in it, and then we put a little bit of dirt in it. We thought maybe it was going to do good, so I was going to plant some flowers over here, which I planted a few of them, but then it's just a big grassy mess over here, and I don't really want to weed. So what I done did is I took the flowers that I started to grow over here, and I moved them. So I moved them all in here. I still got a couple more to put up here. Have her go on. Go on. Go on. So that is it, y'all. That is the garden as of today, and it is growing, and my chickens are growing, and I hope that you guys are out there enjoying your garden, growing something beautiful, and just enjoying being outside. Until I post another video, you guys.